In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQ, that is, which of the following topology is connected in or with usual topology? Solution. First definition, that is, a topological space X star is said to be connected if and only if it cannot be written as the union of two non-empty distinct open set, that is, there exist two non-empty open set A and B such that A intersection B is equal to phi and does not equal to phi, and A union B does not equal to X. Theorem number 1, that is, or with usual topology is connected space. Theorem number 2, that is, every indiscrete space is connected. Theorem number 3, that is, an infinite set with cofinite topology is a connected space. Theorem number 4, that is, a subspace of the real line is connected if and only if it is an interval. Theorem important notes, that is, also note that 0-1 interval cannot be written as a union of two disjoint open sets. So option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.